What is up, y'all? Good morning. Sorry about the sun. Sorry about that. But let's go ahead and cast down into this cloud here. I've already made one cast, caught one on the first cast. There we go. Oh. All right, now this one looks like we're gonna keep that one. Boy, we got that one. Look at how we got that one. Skin hooked on the side of the mouth. Skin hooked. Don't mind my grunting and groaning, I'm just fat. I'm just fat. All right. Well, let's show you what I'm working with. Okay, we got the Bobby Garland on top. And we got a little gulp minnow on bottom. And there is a cloud of them this morning. Let's make another cast. Oh, that felt like it got hit on the way down. Come on. Oop. Okay, just double checking because I felt some taps. There we go. There we go. Ooh, goodness. Let's get this thing unhooked. Ow, ow, ow. Before he stabs me anymore. Oh man, we're gonna fill this cooler pretty quick, which is I'm totally fine with. And you know what? Since they are going after the Bobby Garlands, this is what it is. It's baby shad, thread fin shad. On this top one, you can see I kind of did a unique, instead of just nose hooking it and having the point come out, I kind of did it like that. And came out the nose. This one I'm gonna go in the nose and come out the top. Why? I don't know. I don't know. Just to see. All right, let's drop this back down. Let's see if we can't keep our streak alive. Oh. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. This one's a little bit small. That one's a little bit small. We really want the eaters because I am trying to fill a cooler for my wife's uncle and my father-in-law. So, oop. Okay, we're kind of drifting past. Yeah, we've kind of drifted out past them. So let's just paddle back that way a tad and we'll get reset up. All right, awesome. How long we been recording? 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Oh man, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. He is good. He is. These yellow bass will stay on the move. They're not gonna really just sit in one spot, but we can track them down, trust me. We will track them down. Let's see. All right, kind of seeing some stuff. I'm kind of seeing some stuff. Let's see what it is. Something swiped at it. That's that's the military base. Oh, missed it. I was trying to anticipate it. Oh, we're tugging on it. That could just be bluegill. That could just be some bluegill down there. Oh. There we go. Oh, nope. Came back for it and I missed it. They're definitely in this area though. I mean, we caught those first ones just bam, bam, bam. Okay, let's set that in the rod holder real quick, because I also brought a second setup over here. Oop. Nope, we're getting tapped. There we go. Ooh, that was such a soft bite. This one's another one. Yeah, that's not really one I wanted either. That's not really one I wanted. Ooh, I see a big old cloud coming. I see a big old cloud of something. There we go. This one feels way better. Oh, we got two. Oh, no, we didn't. There was one following it. They were trying to compete for this. Okay. It's another good one. It's another good one. Yep. And see, I love the Bobby Garlands because they don't tear as easy. And they look just like the Berkeley. I'm gonna set it there. Whoa, something big just splashed over there. All right, you know what? Let's go back. Let's set up again. We've already drifted. Wow, this is just too much fun. I say it all the time, but holy smokes, this place is awesome. It just is awesome. All right, let me go get set back up. We'll come right back.